Hello, how y'all doing, everyone? This is Luis Avila once again. Thank you for being able to click the link on my YouTube channel, like, subscribe, put a comment in the comment section. I appreciate it so much. Today, I'm going to get started on how getting you guys on how to draw a floor plan in AutoCAD. So let's get it. Once you're in AutoCAD, you want to make sure that you're at 1:1 at the best scale of your choosing, and set mine to architectural. Okay, so let's get started here. So what you want to do in order to get a basic floor plan layout, I'm just going to do something really quick is basically you want to be able to have your floors, you want to have your wall, windows, and doors. And that's mainly the basics of what you're going to need. And then sometimes within the layer properties manager over here, you might add doors and windows and the walls. But let's just draw a simple um square here. We're going to just draw a square here on the grid. And then let's just say I offset it. No, not the hatch command. I want to offset. I'm going to use the offset, and I'm going to offset the wall, uh, say 6 inches for exterior walls. Let's see. Hmm. I don't think this square is big enough. That's the reason why. So let's go here, stretch it out. Let's see. Let's go here. And then once we got a big enough square, then let's go to offset 6 inches. Now we're looking good. So that's a good amount of wall space we need. Once we have that going, it's pretty basic. You can use the hatch for to get your wall like that, and then change the color at the top if you want to. But let's just keep this going. Um, so we have our walls. We're gonna have a door. So I'm gonna create a door. Let's say 3-foot door. Panel is probably gonna be split 2 inches. And then we have the arc. So we got the arc. That was just a reference line. And finish up. Now that we have our door, we can move the door to a designated area. Now it's on the wall. And let's just draw a line going up from here. Make it all nice and neat. Cut the ends of the wall. So now that we got a door here, we got walls, and now we're gonna do our window. Basic for our window, we can easily just uh put a line through here, um, copy it, and you can just go up, say 4 feet if you want. You trim it off here, and then put lines in between. Oh, let's see, space that. Now, there's blocks out there where you can get a wall. I mean, you can get a window with more specifics, but this is basic line work of a floor plan, um, however you may want it. It's pretty basic. So let's just say make some changes into this. So we got our window. Let's see, because usually we'll make the window like certain colors like that. So that's as basic as a floor plan as you're gonna get. Not until you add the interior walls. Um, if we add the interior walls, we can just go, let's just say we go here. And then for the interior walls, we'll go say 4 inches. So I'll offset this or copy um, that, trim that off there, trim that off there. We can easily just take this door here, copy it, flip it, and then can scale it. Usually we can shrink it, but I'll just scale it. And then let's just rotate for it to go. We want the door to go outward towards that direction. And then there we go. And do the same thing with the line here and trimming it up. And there goes our basic interior walls. With our floor plan. And you just basically, once you have done your space planning, you may have jotted down on your paperwork or on the blank canvas, however you may want your walls. And that's how quick and simple, on a small scale, that you can be able to get a floor plan done. But the basic fundamentals is all you need of walls, doors, windows, and then after that, you can start working your inside, going inside of your interior design of whatever you may other need and additional items for interior design to MEP, which is mechanical, electrical, or plumbing, or any other various important information. So that's all I have for you guys. Make sure you guys click any other information I may tag in the bio of this video, and follow up if you need to for any more additional classes. Thank you.